Okay, you got the heart, the whole heart. You have, this is the apex, this is the base. You've got your right and left ventricles. You've got your, right and left aorta. Coronary sulcus is this groove, right? Interventricular sulci. The periconal interventricular is this one. And the subsidious interventricular is on this other side back here, under here. The pulmonary trunk comes out of here, correct? Yep. The aorta is down here. Can you see right there? Behind my finger. There you go, the aorta. You've got the ascending, the arch, and the descending. Goes down. Coronary arteries and veins. You said those are on the heart, correct?
Yeah.
So you've got the veins. You can't really see arteries, can you? Anyways, the point. Oh, the pulmonary arteries actually go across here. We didn't dissect those very well. And the veins are there as well. And the caudal vena cava is here. Cranial vena cava is here. And that's all for that part. And then subclavian veins. You have to help me there. Was it the subclavian? Right?
Yeah, I might be.
Bijugular is right here, where these two go together, because you have your external and your internal jugular. The brachiocephalic vein.
This right here, this little piece right there.
Yeah, it's in between the four branches, right? The zygos vein is down here. You can see. Can you see in there? No. Can't see in there at all. There you go. See the red? It's right there. On that side. The highest intercostal veins here at the top.
Cranial to that.
Yeah. Internal thoracic vein is this one that tore across here. What was that? Oh, and the artery, internal thoracic artery. This one across here. Brachiocephalic artery. Where do you say that was? It's this one, right? Right across there?
I believe so.
It comes off
Or is that
the
the common
aorta. No, the common carotid goes up.
Yeah.
Brachiocephalic artery. The common carotid arteries are these, correct?
Yeah, but there's a left and right, so.
Well, we can't see the other one. It's over here. See? Arteries, and these are the, no? Right and left subclavian artery. Subclavian artery is under here, right? Internal or costocervical trunk. Where did you say that was?
Wait.
You just told us where that was.
Isn't that what?
Oh, it's this
that
thing right
is?
here, yeah. And then the superficial cervical artery and vein. That's up under these, right here. I think our vein is severed, but it's right here. Up under the external jugular.